There is a lot of money in today's strategy, and you can do the same like I did in the last week if you just follow the steps. Every step is important, so make sure to follow it. Also, hit that subscribe button and let's go make some money. Today we're gonna involve ourselves into some ebooks. Of course, this website works all around the world. You can get a lot of money no matter where you live. If you go on Amazon and you go on Kindle ebooks, you can see that a lot of people are selling these ebooks. For example, look at these people. They're selling these like recipes and they're charging $6 for each one of those. But there are, of course, a lot of these categories. Just take a look at this left-hand side. Health, fitness, and dieting, that's the best one. I'm going to talk about that later. But there are, of course, engineering and transportation, education and teaching. There are cookbooks, there are comics, biographies, business and money. And for example, let me just show you this health, fitness, and dieting niche, guys. There are a lot of these books, diets and weight loss. This is the most profitable traffic out there. You can get a lot of money with this. This is so profitable that I can't even imagine how to explain that. I mean, if you just go on Google Trends, type in Google Trends, click on this link. Now, just take a look at this, guys. Just take a look at how much people are searching for it. 100 is the best score here, and it is always 96, 94, 95. This is crazy, guys, and people all over the world are searching for this keyword, okay? Keyword, this is what Google Trends can show you, and this is the reason, this is the proof that this keyword gathers a lot of traffic. A lot of traffic means a lot of money, and that's what we'll get. So on Amazon, there are these, for example, diets and weight loss books. So, for example, you can see that this guy sold 1.7 thousand of these books for $15 each, okay? $15 each for each one of those, 1.7 thousand. If we just calculate how much money that is, guys, you will be amazed. 25,000 bucks. 25,000 bucks and you did nothing. I'm going to show you how this works. I'm going to show you how to get money just like these people are doing, and you won't have to write yourself a book. So you don't have to be a writer, okay? You just have to follow the steps in this video. You will get a lot of money. Just take a look at this, guys. 16,000 sales, guys, and $10 each. I mean, that's crazy. That's $160,000 for this guy. I mean, it is crazy, crazy, crazy. And just take a look at this guy. Let me click on this guy. He actually is the best one that I have found so far. 21,000, guys. 21,000, and I know that because 21,000 ratings means that 21,000 bought the book and left a rating. But some of the people, well, some of them do not leave the rating. I don't know, maybe they are too lazy or whatever, but this means that this is the minimum amount that he has been sold, okay? So $13.5, if we take that price of $13.5 and we multiply that by 21,000 sales, guys, I mean, this is really awesome, guys. $200,000. Now, that's a lot of money, guys. If you want to make a lot of money, hit that subscribe button so I can teach you a lot of money, guys. So now we are going to go and we are going to make ourselves ebooks just like these people are doing, and we're going to do it for free. We're all about free money on this channel. So first website that you want to visit is called Visme.co. Now, this is the website which is going to make your ebook look like an ebook, okay? It will make it look better. It will make it look nicer. So when people buy it, they're going to actually be satisfied and then come back at you, okay? So Visme.co is a web place where you can go and make yourself videos, you can make yourself ebooks, different templates. You can see if you click here on templates, guys, and if you click here on documents, this is where you will find your ebook templates. So when you come on this page, you will see that some of these are premium ones, but of course you won't have to pay for this one because there are free ones which you don't have to pay anything for, okay? On this left hand side, you can see right here, ebooks, and that's what we want, guys. If you click on ebook templates, you will have a lot of these which are free. You can see here, it says free. This one is free, this one is free, and a lot of these other ones are for free as well, guys. You can use it in whichever way you want. You can just edit that and then you can just sell it for a lot of money. And for example, I saw one in the beginning which is related to our niche, for the love of bacon, guys. You can just preview that, and now you can just use this template, edit that out, and then you can just input your own ebook. But now you are wondering, where do we find the content? Where do we find the words? Well, don't worry about that, guys. Just make yourself an account here. You can sign up with Google real quick, and when you log in, this is gonna look like a dashboard or something, and this is your editor. Okay, so this is a free project which you can download. Okay, this is just an annoying pop-up message. But okay, guys, now what you want to do is you want to edit this content out, and you can do whatever you want. You can change this text, you can change the pictures, you can change the animations, whatever, guys. You can change the pages. There is introduction, there is even table of contents. So this book is already made, and it is for free, guys. You can change the pictures, you can change the words, of course, these articles, whatever you want to do to make it look like suitable. So then we can go and sell this and get a lot of money in the process, right? Trust me, guys, a lot of money, just few more steps. Now what you want to do is you want to go to a website which is called Free PLR Downloads. Okay, Free PLR Downloads is a place where you can get a lot of these ebooks for absolutely free. If you just go here and click here on ebooks, just click on this button here, which is entitled Free PLR Ebooks. And this is where magic happens. Just take a look at this, guys. A lot of these ebooks, guys, and a lot of these are free to take and do whatever you want with them. And that is because PLR stands for Private Label Rights. So this means no copyright issues, no nothing. You can do whatever you want with it, and we're going to use it to make some money. You can see this niche here, fitness. Click on that right away so we can find something which is suitable for our niche. So, for example, fitness elements, you can find something like diet, belly fat free, PLR newsletter. You can just use that as well. Now what you want to do is you want to go and just download this to your computer. That's it. Scroll down, click on this beautiful button, download. It's going to go to your computer. That's it, guys. You unzip it, and then there is one step more. You go back to visme.co and you just paste that content on these pages, okay? You can add more pages, you can change whatever you want. Just make it look nice. Make it look nice, make it look adorable, guys, so people want to buy it. And of course, the most important thing is that you make a thumbnail, okay? The thumbnail is really, really important. This one, for example, this with pancakes and ice cream and, I don't know, strawberries. Strawberries can be left in, but pancakes is not something which you can relate to fat loss, okay? To weight loss or something like that. You have to change this picture. But of course, that is pretty easy to find. Just go on Google and just type in fitness pictures, okay? Just go here on images, and then you can download all of these pictures for free. You can put it in that book, just make it look nice. One more option which you can take, of course, is you can go to pixabay.com, where you have a lot of these free pictures to download, okay? Just type in fitness and you will see that you will have a lot of these options, okay? So you can just download. These are all for free. Make yourself a nice thumbnail, make it look nice here on visme.co. Download that, upload to Amazon, and you are ready for money making. Go and get it, guys, and I will catch you later.